Hello friends, welcome to our channel Library Facts. Today we are going to talk about the 5 fundamental categories established by Dr. S.R. Ranganathan, the father of library science. These categories form the basis of library organization and classification, and understanding them is crucial for anyone involved in library science.
So, let's dive in.
Dr. Shyali Ramamurthy Ranganathan is known as the father of library science. He made several significant contributions to the field, among which the most notable is his Cologne classification system. The foundation of this system lies in Ranganathan's 5 fundamental categories, which serve as the backbone of his classification system. These categories help in systematically organizing and retrieving information, making libraries more user-friendly and efficient. Ranganathan's 5 fundamental categories are 1. Personality E. 2. Matter M. 3. Energy E. 4. Space S. and 5. Time T. Each of these categories represents a distinct aspect of the subject matter, allowing for a more nuanced and comprehensive classification. Let's explore each of these in detail to understand how they contribute to the organization of knowledge. 1. Personality P. The personality category represents the core element or the essence of any subject. For example, if we are discussing library science, the personality could be books, readers, or information. This category defines the individuality of the subject, distinguishing it from others. It is denoted by 2. Matter M. The matter category refers to the material or medium used in the study of a subject. For example, in the study of chemistry, the matter category might include elements, compounds, or chemical reactions. This category represents the physical material associated with the subject. It is denoted by 3. The energy category represents the force or action that drives a process or change within a subject. In the context of education, for example, energy could be teaching, learning, or research. This category defines the dynamic aspects of a subject. It is denoted by 4. Space S. The space category refers to the geographical or physical location where the subject's activities occur. For example, to represent the location of a library, the space category can be used. This category defines the geographical spread or location of the subject. It is denoted by 5. Time T. The time category represents the timeline or period related to a subject. For instance, in history, the time category could represent the date of a historical event or the publication date of a document in a library. This category defines the temporal aspect of the subject. It is denoted by. Now that we've explored the 5 categories individually, let's discuss how they work together in a practical setting. In Ranganathan's Cologne classification system, these categories are used in combination to create a precise and flexible classification for library materials. For example, consider a book on the history of pediatric surgery in India during the 20th century. Here's how the categories would apply. 1. Personality, P. Pediatric surgery. 2. Matter M. History. 3. Energy, E. Development or practice. 4. Space S. India. 5. Time T. 20th century. By combining these categories, the book can be accurately classified, ensuring that it's placed in the correct section of the library and is easily accessible to users. Ranganathan's 5 fundamental categories, personality, matter, energy, space, and time, form the bedrock of modern library classification systems. They provide a structured and logical approach to organizing materials, making libraries more efficient and user-friendly. Thank you for watching today's video on library facts. If you found this information valuable, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who might find it helpful. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of libraries.